I'm Michael Duncan. I am architect and design partner at Skidmore, Owings & Merrill, and Rupert's our senior structural engineer leading the charge on this. And we want to just talk a little bit about this project. Many of you probably know Skidmore, Owings & Merrill, SOM, as a collective of designers, architects, structural engineers, MEP engineers, planners, graphic designers, interior designers. And we do large buildings, often tall buildings around the world. And what you may not know is that we do a lot of research projects, and we have a long tradition of doing those. These are just three of the more recent projects in the last couple of years. On the right-hand side is a machine learning project we're working on, recognizing cracks in laminated timber beams. We also work with universities, as University of Michigan at the top is a CNC milled timber structure, and down below that is a robotics arch construction project we're doing with Princeton University. With our research on the SMA tension brace, we're looking for a restoring force that allows tension members to return to the original state after a major earthquake. And this allows us having to replace these systems and avoids having to replace all the damage in it. And so, Rupert, maybe talk a little bit about this?
Yeah.